My SUV top has bent my garage door, and I keep meaning to order a new garage door, but I never get it done. So there's this line in here on that panel that there's a lot of air coming in. So I bought a pipe foam covering in the plumbing, I think it was the plumbing department at Lowe's. And then I used duct tape to reinforce it. So this way it can bend, and then it holds back that air that's coming in because I heat my garage. And I also bought the hard plastic strip down there. Can't see it very good. Because the mice bite right through that cheap rubber or whatever they use for those things. And I just wanted to know if there's an easier way. And we also put a wooden bar along here because there's like a 2-inch gap here. And now we got this to pull it tight. I just got to remember not to open the door when it's hooked. But my real question is, my new building, I have three garage doors, and there's lights showing on all of them. So I have to put like cardboard in these wheels right here to make it press hard against, so there's not a lot of air coming in my heated garage shed out there. So does anybody know? There's a guy on YouTube that says to flip these up or something, but I don't have them out in my shed. So does anybody have some solutions? Thank you.